Karishma Tanna hits back at influencer who mocked her belly bulge in ramp walk video. Too much negativity. Actor Karishma Tanna is winning hearts yet again, not just with her poise on the runway, but with the grace and strength she's shown in the face of online body shaming. On April 17, the Call Me Bae star responded powerfully after influencer and image coach Abhinya Menon took to Instagram to critique her natural belly bulge during a recent fashion show appearance. Walking the ramp in a stunning white fishtail lehenga paired with a corset-style blouse, Karishma looked radiant and confident. However, instead of celebrating her presence, some social media users led by Menon chose to nitpick her appearance. The influencer posted a reel captioned, "Wardrobe malfunction or style mistake, what's happening here?" and went on to criticize the fit of Karishma's lehenga, claiming it was too tight and bad styling, even using arrows to highlight her waist. The post quickly sparked outrage among netizens. Nana post shared by Abhinya Menon personal stylist image coach your elegant wardrobe, but Karishma didn't stay silent. Resharing the reel on her Instagram story, she clapped back with dignified candor. "Too much time on your hands and too much negativity to spill out. Oh, he's lost weight, he's on Ozempic. Oh, she's looking too pretty, she must have gotten Botox done. Oh, she's gained weight. Gosh, you know what makes me happy?" She followed it up with a thoughtful reminder about the power of community. At least if you go read the comments, people have a mind of their own, one that is not influenced by the negativity. For once, use social media to uplift, not bring people down. Be positive. The backlash against the influencer was swift, with a wave of Instagram users stepping in to defend Karishma and call out the toxicity of unrealistic beauty standards. Many applauded her for embracing her natural body and shutting down the narrative that equates confidence with perfection. In another story, Karishma posted screenshots of the supportive messages she received, writing, "Thank you all, support each other." Known for her authenticity both on and off screen, Karishma has long been an advocate of self-love and body positivity. Her dignified response not only silenced the noise but also turned the moment into a conversation about acceptance, empathy, and the need to reframe how we talk about bodies, especially women. Seen public spaces. On the professional front, Karishma was last seen in Call Me Bae, starring alongside Ananya Pandey. While she hasn't announced her next project yet, her fans are already applauding her for being the star she is in the ramp, on screen, and in real life. Latest blogs.